Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Doing a quick video on AMD Advanced Micro Devices. We're looking at the weekly time frame. Each bar is a week's worth of data, and it looks like from November of last year we've been in a dive. And the techs haven't done all the techs. Google, Twitter, Meta, all of them have, including the chip makers, have all been in a slump. A few weeks ago it looked like AMD wanted to go up, but the last couple of weeks back down again. I see a green bar for the last week of 2022. Let's switch down to a lower time frame, daily. I'm a swing trader, by the way, and I'm looking for reversals. Looks like some consolidation. The RSI has been down, and the MACD looks like we had wants to go up a few days ago. Earnings is coming up. A lot of times stock will go up on its way to earnings. I think AMD is a good, strong stock. Report will probably be fairly good. So I'm neutral on this stock or slightly bullish. Now, what do you think? Is it going up or down? Let's take a look a little bit deeper. Using option pricing, the market expects to move in the next month or so about 9 to 10%. That equates to about $6 move. So if you were bullish on this, you'd expect this thing to go about 71 and as a high if it went to 10%, and a short would be 58, somewhere here. So the job of a trader is to say, hey, is this going up or is it going down? On the daily time frame, we had a crossover on the MACD, and it says, hey, this thing would like to go up. I don't know if the RSI is swinging around, really can't tell. I'm neutral on this play, especially with the consolidation, and slightly bullish. But if it did go to 10%, and you invested $1,000, for a month or 3 months, you'd have $97 if it reached that, and that would be a percentage return of about 38% APR if it took you 3 months to get there. We're going to set a play for about 3 weeks using options. So knowing what we know that the market expects a 10% move. If it reaches that, that's your win line. Wherever it gets there, that's the win line during the time that you'll get. We'll just figure that we'd like to get around the 12th of January, setting this up for a 18-day, that's trading day, January 20th expiration. And we're going to buy a 62 put and sell a 67. And this is called a bull put spread, and it normally is a bullish trade. You want to say above this price, 64, 67, and that's what we are at now. So about what we're at, which just makes it a new play. We just don't want it to go down. I don't think that AMD is going to move much in the next 3 weeks. So if it did, our strike price would be, if it moved up to about this area here, our expectation is to win 178. And this is on a $500 margin. So you're putting up $500 basically. So you're winning $178. And you're risking 267. That's better than 50%. But if you lose, you could lose up to 223. And you want to try to keep it somewhere in this area here. So the key is just to decide whether it is going up. You hope it doesn't move down. Minimize your losses if it does. And the profit graph looks like this. We're trading right here. And you want it to go up, not down. AMD has been on a long-term downslide. Is that slide going to continue down? I do think the techs are still in for some headwind. But I'm not so sure short term, especially after Christmas when everybody's optimistic. So if it goes up to 71 or 58, that's what you have to decide. Or you could take an option trade and receive in your pocket $233. This trade expires January 20th. You could take some early profit at about 117, which will give you a percentage of about 43%. That's sweet. And as long as it stays above where it's at, about 65, at expiration the next 3 weeks, or goes up a little bit, you can win. So what do you think of this trade? Will it go up? Will it go down? I'm willing to take a $267 loss, which you won't lose all that. You'd get out way before then. But willing to risk $267 to find out and make $233. And only have to put $500 up of margin. You're not really using it, just putting it up. Let me know what you think of this trade. Remember to do your own due diligence. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. You don't necessarily, in fact, I don't recommend you following anybody else's trades. I just recommend you validate and make your own trades using your own strategy and your own system. Learn it and win. We'll catch you in the flip, and happy trading. Good luck on the first of the year.